know below what makes you not subscribe after this video, or what makes you not want to subscribe to me. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Today, I don't know what look we're gonna do, but I will be using a whole bunch of new products. I really wish I had stuff to talk about with y'all, because I would do like a chit chat, get ready with me, but I just don't know how people like Aaliyah's face and stuff just be having shit to talk about the whole time they're doing their makeup. Like, teach me, sis. Anyways, y'all can see I got my hair braided. It's that time of the year again because we don't comb here in the summertime. It's too hot, too many water activities, so braids it is. But yeah, I'll be using a whole lot of new products. Not really a whole lot. I'll be using new foundation, new concealer, new setting spray, a couple of new products, for sure. I don't know what look I'm doing. I just wanted to play makeup. So, yeah. My skin, it's that time of the month, so my skin was just breaking out, but it's clearing up for the most part. Mother Nature. I've been using my Cetaphil. I'm a holy grail for Cetaphil. If your face breaking out, use it for 3 days. Drink consistent water. You're good. Okay, so we're going to pin this hair up. Just like this. We're just gonna tie it. Then we're just gonna jump into this video. Gonna watch me some things on the tube, of the YouTube tube, and we're gonna get a nice little beat going for y'all. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna prime my face with the Fenty Beauty primer. I just like how smooth it makes my skin before I do foundation. But today I'm gonna use the Milk Grip also for a primer. I heard this stuff is amazing. I've actually used it 2 or 3 times since I've done this video, and I absolutely love it. Can we just take a minute to appreciate the brows? My brows have come a long way. I'll insert a photo here. Back when I started getting my eyebrows done. I know y'all like, Neah, that is not new foundation. Yes, the fuck it is, sis. Because at first I was using the Sheer Glow. Now I'm using the Natural Radiant. So I've been applying my foundation lately with a brush and then going in with the Beauty Blender. What's so crazy, guys, is I don't think I've ever found a foundation that matches me this well. Like, besides my forehead. But nothing ever matches my big ass forehead, so that's either there or there. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty concealer. I believe this is the color Peanut Butter. I don't have it right in front of me, so I don't remember, but I believe this is the color Peanut Butter that I am highlighting with. And then again, I use a brush to blend out the initial, and then I'll go back in with a damp beauty blender. I've also been spraying my face with setting spray. Well, Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow setting spray, the dewy one, and then I've been like blending it in because it gives it a nice finish as if it was like Fix Plus. But we all know that I'm pretty much allergic to MAC products, so I don't use Fix Plus like that. But anyways, as y'all see, that's the trick that I do with the setting spray. And then I'm going in with my Hourglass Veil powder, and I am just setting those under eyes. Oh, that powder does miracles, guys. Like, my makeup, it doesn't matter if I'm doing a full beat or a light beat. That powder changes my life every time I use it. It just, it makes me so beautiful. It doesn't even make sense. Now I'm going with my Anastasia contour kit. I'm going to carve out those cheekbones. We're going to minimize that big ass forehead of mine. We're going to do them cheekbones because your girl gained a few pounds, so my bone structure is not as great as it needs to be. We're going to contour my nose because we know we can't go out the house without contouring the nose. I'm going to bake now with my Huda Beauty powder. And I feel like y'all all know how to bake. I don't really need to explain that, so just watch. I use my Sephora Micro Smooth to wipe off the baking powder, which is aka Up Beauties setting powder.
Look at this. Like, I can never. So tan. I don't even know why my face looks so tan right now. Do you wear sunscreen?
Alright, I'm using the James Charles palette for this, and I'm simply just taking that really bright orange that he has in there, and I am going to pack that all over the crease and the lid, and we're just going to pack and blend until we get the consistency that we really like, y'all.
Okay, I usually cut my crease. I didn't want to, but I am today. But once I do it, you're not really going to be able to tell that I'm cutting my crease because I'm using all matte colors. But I want the whole eye look to like blend in. But I want my lid color to stand out from this orange. So we're gonna do, and it doesn't have to necessarily be a clean one just because we're gonna blend all the way out. We just want to basically start fresh on this part of the eye and basically erase the orange.
What's so crazy about this lid color is in the palette it looks kind of white. I wasn't expecting it to come out this yellow, but it did definitely tie in the look. So I'm just going to use this on my lid and call it a day. I'm going to go back in and clean up those outer corners and we're good. Using the Becca bronzer to just bronze on my face. I was using the Fenty, but I don't get the hype. I'm sorry. I love Riri, but I don't get the hype. So I'm using this Becca bronzer. Going in with blush. Gotta tie the hair back up because it fell down. Spray your face to bring them oils back through. And then pat it in so that you don't get too oily. We're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty highlight. Now, I do get the hype on that. That highlighter is amazing that Riri created, okay? Now, I decided, I don't know what made me choose this eyeliner, but child, I did and the look came out cute. But going in with this blue liner.
I'm using Baddie B's lashes in Baddie. Those are the lashes we're going to use today. Oh.
Going in with some mascara. And I'm going to put on my Baddie B lashes in the shape Baddie, I believe. I said that earlier. And yeah, I am obsessed with these lashes. Probably one of my faves I've ever worn, honestly. We're going to do the lower lash line. Y'all know with my tight eyes, my makeup look is not complete without my lash line done. So I always have to do my bottom lash line. I'm going to spray my face with the Ben Nye setting powder, which locks everything in.
We'll add a little Beauty Supply lip gloss. Literally just a dab, y'all. Don't do too much. That's all you need or you're going to be looking like you've been eating chicken grease. Little details. Oh, I got a trick I want to show you. So, this is for eyebrow, right? Let me show y'all. You're gonna take your spoolie, right? I got this from Alyssa, the twin. Okay. So, you're gonna take your spoolie. See your spoolie? This is a brow pencil from e.l.f. I very rarely ever use it. I use the spoolie when I do my brows. That's about it. You're gonna take your Gots to Be free spray. Okay? You're gonna take it, spray it, let it dry just a little bit, right? Then you're gonna flick your brows. Guys, so this is the final look. I can't believe I just mixed orange with a blue liner. Can't believe I did that, but I did it and it came out cute. So we're here, baby. I don't know, because I know my camera overheated. Ironically, like, I feel like that was the universe. I'm gonna tell y'all. So I was doing my makeup one day and I was watching NeyahNecole on live, and she was waiting for Alyssa. Alyssa had came over and she was like trying to do the final touches to her makeup or whatever. And I feel like she said she didn't want to do her brows, so she was gonna do this trick. Long and behold, like, it was like at the perfect moment. I had just got done with doing my brows and I was frustrated and could not find my brow gel. And she did this trick on live. Like, the way the timing happened, like the way it did it, I felt like it was supposed to be that way. Like, that was like a sign from the universe. Like, sis, here's the tip that you're looking for since you can't find your brow gel. Like, you lost it, but we need to move forward. Like, this is what you need to do. So I've been doing it ever since. It's only been about a week and a half, 2 weeks since she did it. Maybe not even 2 weeks. But yeah, I got that trick from her. I don't know who she got it from. I'm pretty sure she didn't invent it, but that's who I'm giving credit for, because that's who I got it from. So if you like this makeup look and you want to see more from me, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, go ahead and share with your sister, your cousin, your brother, Gucci Gucci with the whole thing. As I always say, share it for me. I'm just trying to build my subscribers, my content, and I feel like I've done what all my Instagram followers have asked me to, but for some reason I'm just not really growing. So I don't know if it's something that I'm doing. If you guys want to see something specific from me, let me know below. What makes you not subscribe after this video? Let me know below what makes you not subscribe after this video, or what makes you not want to subscribe to me, or what makes you not want to share with your cousins, your sisters, your family members. Let me know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. For the people that do support me, it does not go unnoticed. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all keep me going, especially when y'all be in my DMs on Instagram on my neck about getting some content out. I love y'all for that, like, for real. Even in my darkest days, I love y'all for that. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta, guys.